This is the 512 gigabyte, 16 gigabyte RAM CTONE. Interestingly, the Camrui is the same box. And I've seen many PCs by the name of Terry Wiza with the same look as well. This one's got the Intel sticker. Power adapter, 12 volts, 2.5 amps, and an HDMI, and a little mounting bracket. That's all you get. I'll do the first boot up here in a minute. Alright, just hooked it up. Very first boot. Ready? There it goes. AMI. Usually these say American Megatrends. So I think that might be the same thing. Don't know for sure. Taking a while here. The unit's completely silent. There it goes. There you go. That's your walkthrough.